Look at the snow. Got Blake exteriors. We got the Justin, the big dirty Dodge. Rev her up, Justin. Don't slide in my truck. Whew. We figured let's do a little snowboard today. So
Towing snow.
Towing snow. That thing's got the same muffler as my sled. Kinda. It's an MBRP muffler. Anyways, we're gonna rip this thing. We're gonna go for a little tow snowboard. We got some heavy snow last night. We got like a foot. I didn't even think it was snowing that much, but
a little packing snow.
Yeah, we finally got packing snow. We've been getting this fluffy ass crap stuff junk that just blows away.
Boys. I didn't end up in the flower garden this time.
I thought you were gonna end up taking out either the truck or the sled.
I was going for both.
Yeah. Is this what you're running today?
Yeah.
Good.
I got snow boots this time.
Oh, good.
They don't have holes in them.
Good. That's the win. 2018, right?
Yeah. Coming in hot.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's fire this thing up and
throw some snow stuff on here.
see if I can one pull it. I can say second pull. Actually,
Second
no, let's
pull.
just go first pull.
Let's go first pull. You can do it.
Yeah, I'm a first pull kind of guy, you know?
First pull.
That's how they go, you know, first pull every time. Yeah, and I didn't start it up previous to this. I just pushed it.
No, I witnessed that.
Yeah, this is the race then.
Perfect combination for being towed behind a sled.
Whap. Well, what'd you think, Justin?
Well, the snow is pretty sticky, and this rope is pretty stuck.
We just can't stop complaining, eh?
No.
It's too fluffy, it's too heavy, it's too sticky. Someone forgot to do leg day.
Right.
Build a snowman. Let's build a snowman.
Just rip right through it.
Yeah.
Let's get all frozen on this thing. Do you want to build a snowman?
Do you want to ride? Huh, well, I'll take you for a little run. Do a few wheelies. See what we can find, right? Beauty day for it, though.
Oh, beauty day.
You know, for a storm that I thought was going to drop 2 centimeters, it sure dropped a lot more than 2 centimeters.
Oh, heck yeah.
Heck yeah.
How about we do, let's try to pin the snowball on the rider. Pin the tail on the donkey?
You can try. Snowballs to the face.
I definitely need to do leg workouts.
Or
What,
just
you missed
snowboard
leg
more
day,
often.
eh?
Oh, I don't even do leg day.
Bro, you can't miss leg day.
You never miss leg day.
Never miss leg day.
It's always leg day.
It's always leg day, the one they miss the
I
most.
work every day on my feet.
Alright, I'm gonna take her for a spin, see what we can do.
Oh!
Got you!
It's a snow dolphin.
How do your ears feel now?
Oh man.
Is that pretty loud?
Yeah, brap.
Good, good, good.
Good. Yeah, good.
More for you and me.
All right. Here we go.
Well, that was fun. That was some sticky friggin' snow. Whew.
It's deep though.
It's weird. Yeah, it is deep. Surprised going from like powder to, you know, 0 degree powder. So, I don't know. We had some fun. We had some fun.
Yeah.
We had the times. The times were good. We're going to assess the Dodge here. I was going to take this back to the scrapyard, but you know, times get tough and people get busy.
Yeah. This is how life ends up.
Yeah, so this is the definition of 2017. That's pretty much it. I'm surprised there's probably mice living in this thing. Any raccoons or hobos or anything? Friggin' soup kitchen happening in the back seat.
Oh, yeah.
Blinker don't work anymore. Anyone need a Durango window? There's one right there waiting for you.
Not anymore.
Well, what are we gonna jump this year, boys?
Everything.
Everything? You got any more Blake Exteriors trucks?
No.
No.
I have a like exteriors VW.
VW?
That new car I bought.
Why, you don't like it?
No, I love it.
Oh, okay.
But I think it's so tough it might be able to, you know, make it.
It could
through.
probably just land and you could just keep driving.
Oh yeah, that thing does.
Daily
is awesome.
driver.
I haven't jumped Dodge yet. Might have to do that.
That thing's just like a legend though now.
Yeah.
It's like a YouTube
I bet it would
legend.
pencil
What
that
kind
real
of car
hard.
have you not jumped yet? What's the make? Saab? Have you jumped a Saab yet?
Haven't done a Saab or an Audi. We did a Subaru this year. That was different.
Subs? Yeah, the Subs. You did the
Subaru was
Subs.
good.
I don't think we've ever done a Honda Civic.
No, I'm surprised.
Surprised, because like those things you see them everywhere.
I
They're
think
like
they go until they completely die.
they're like the high
There's
school
nothing
girl
around.
car, like the Cavalier, like the Mazda 3. Oh, he's got a big one coming. All right, so yeah, that jump we're gonna make it bigger, wider, thicker, and we're gonna push the the run up to it higher, so it's gonna be a good time. Anyways, we'll wrap this up for today because it's getting dark. Justin's getting tired. It's almost bedtime.
Yep.
He doesn't sleep much anymore. You can tell by the bags under his eyes.
Yeah. Sleep's overrated.
He has a pretty exciting announcement. His braces are coming off soon.
Yeah, that's gonna be
Let's
good.
see him.
Oh yeah. Last shot.
2 years.
Get those off. Move out.
Move out. Start a new life.
Start eating.
There you go.
Some big things planned here.
Have an apple.
2018. All right, we'll wrap this up for now. Thank you guys for watching. As always, check out the merch store. Justin just added a ton of new designs. I was on there today. There's 31 designs now. Soon to be 33. We got 2 more coming. So there's some pretty interesting stuff. We added Team 408 stuff too. And there's all different styles. It goes up to 5XL too. I actually want to buy a 5XL t-shirt just to see what it looks. It's probably like a bed sheet.
Video how many people can fit in one shirt.
A 5XL?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
How many team members?
It's probably like $100 shirt.
That's a lot of fabric.
Yeah, that is a lot of fabric. Anyways, thank you guys. Check it out. We'll see you later.
Later.
Bye.
Later.